Good morning and good afternoon, everyone. My name is Abash Velu, and today I'll be presenting my project for Python Program 1. And for my mini project, I create a personalized poem generator. This project is a small interactive program developed using Python that generate a customized poem based on user input. The idea behind this program is to combine programming logic with creativity to produce a simple but engaging output. Instead of writing a poem manually, the program allows user to generate on instantly by answering a few questions, making the process faster and more accessible for everyone. The main problem this project addresses is that writing poem require creativity and time. Not everyone finds it easy to come up with meaningful or structured poetic line. And even for those who are creative, it can take more time and efforts. Therefore, the solution I designed is to automate poem generation using Python. By doing this, users can quickly reserve a personalized poem without needing any writing skills, any creative writing skills actually. This shows how program can be applied not only for technical tasks but also for creative and entertainment purpose. In this program, I use two important Python libraries, which are the random library and the calendar library. The random library is used to introduce variation into the poem generation process. It allows the program to select different lines each time, so the poem is not the same on every run. This makes the output more interest and dynamic. The calendar library is used to generate real month name such as January to December. Instead of manually typing all the months, I use this library to ensure accuracy and efficiency. These libraries help improve the functionality and realism of the program. In the code, I import the libraries using the statement import calendar and import random. This allows the program to access built-in functions such as generating months, names, and selecting random elements. These imports are essential because they provide the tools needed to make the program dynamic and interactive. The program uses predefined lists to store data such as colors, flowers, and months. The colors list contain different color options that the user can choose from, while the flowers list include variation types of flowers, various of various types of flowers. Sorry for that. The months list is generate automatically using the calendar library. These lists are important because they standardize user input and reduce the chance of errors. Instead of allowing completely free input, the program guides the user to choose from valid options, which improve reliability and user experience. Another important part of the program is input validation. I created a functions called getNonEmptyInput which ensure that the user doesn't not enter empty values. If the user tries to skip a question or enter a blank input, the program will keep asking until a valid response is provided. This prevents issues such as missing data and ensure that program will always has the necessary information to generate a poem. In addition to that, I implement a function called choose_from_list. This function displays a list of optional to the user in a number format and allow them to select either by entering the number or by typing the name directly. If user enter an invalid option, the program will prompt them again until a correct selection is made. This function improves flexibility and makes the program more user-friendly, as users can choose the method they are more comfortable with. The program includes a function called build mail poem, which generates a 4-line poem for mail users. It use the user's name, hobby, and birthday month. Each line is selected randomly from a set of predefined templates using the random choose functions. This ensures that the poem is personalized and slightly different each time the program is executed. And next, poem. Similarly, there is a function called build female poem, which generates a poem for female users. It's used the poem user's name, favorite color, favorite flower. Like the male vision, it also uses random selection to create variation. This approach ensures that every poem feels unique and tailored to the users. Dem- Demo mail is when the program runs, it collects the user's input and generates a personalized poem based on their selection. For example, it can create a poem that includes the user's name and prefer which each line slightly different due to randomization. This demonstrates how programs successfully combine users' input and randomness to produce a creative output. and this is for the female part. I use one of my friend's name. And in conclusion, the personalized poem generator is a simple yet creative Python project that demonstrates how programming concept can be applied in an interactive and enjoyable way. It combines logic, user input, and randomness to produce customized results. One of its main strengths is that it, it is user-friendly and generates unique output every time. However, it does have some limitations such as a fixed poem structure and limited template option. In the in the future, this project can be improved by editing more poem style, expanding the vocabulary, and even integrating artificial intelligence for more advanced poem generation. Thank you for your attention.